Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany and today we are going to plan out the month of September. I'm going to be using a kit from Simply Smith Stickers. It comes with the sidebar, appointment labels, some appointment boxes, the really pretty headers that go at the top here. If you can hear construction, my road is getting redone, so apologize for that. But we have these pretty florals, nice and neutral, and then this flannel background, and then some more labels. And then if you order right now, this is her fall freebie. So we've got some little icons here, some little deco pieces with some scripts, so we might use that as well. And then this came with it as well, so we might pop that in there somewhere. But I am just going to start with the headers up top. Now, September is going to be kind of crazy for us. It's my birthday month, so that's one good thing. I do start my training for my job, so that's exciting. That's a little crooked, but you know, welcome to my life. It's fine. Not a big deal. They are removable, so if I want to go back and remove them, that is fine. But it doesn't bother me, I think, because I have my camera or my planner so far up there. That one went on nice and clean. So we have that, and then this sidebar here. Now you can use this, it's optional. You don't have to use this if you just like the blank. I just kind of put it right in the middle, and I do want to swing it around. Oh my gosh, they've been doing this for 3 days now. And yesterday they started way earlier than the paper said they were going to start, and it was our late wake up day, as we call it here. So I was not very happy that they started earlier on the day they said they weren't going to. So lost some sleep yesterday, but that's fine. Gotta do what you gotta do. Our road needs it bad. They broke up let me go this way. They broke up the curb and just random pieces the other day, and not the other day, but it's been months, and they're like, oh well, we're gonna do the road soon, we got to get this done. And I'm like, okay, cool, and never came back to do it. Waited, and then we finally got the paper that they were doing it, and I was like, oh, finally. So it needs done, but it's whatever. But it'll look nice when it's done. So I put these little flannel pieces on the extra little boxes. We got one more. So like I said, we do have a pretty busy week, or not week, month. Every single week is going to be busy. Let's just put it that way. We are a busy family. We got soccer, we got gymnastics, we got cross country, got my dance class, I got my training. So it is going to be super busy. So over here on the sidebar is, I put my birthdays, and then I put things that are recurring, like gymnastic practices, soccer, all that stuff that is every week. So I don't have to like bunch up my boxes here. So I did go ahead and get some scripts to pull. So usually I start with the birthday at top. So I just put that here, and then Simply Smith Stickers has these little balloons, so that's cute. And then I put the cross country. Well, let's write my birthdays first. Find my pin here. All right, so my cousin's birthday is on the 1st. My birthday is on the 14th. My sister's boyfriend's on the 24th, and then my cousin is on the 25th. Okay, and then we will do my dance schedule. So I'm only teaching 2 classes for the month of September because my training is going to be crazy. So that will be Monday from 6:45 to 7:45. My pin going out. And then Wednesday from 6 to 7. And then we have gymnastics. It is going to be on Monday from 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock. And then we have soccer. And that is Tuesday from 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock. And Thursday from 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock. And then we have cross country. These scripts up here are from Simply Smith Stickers, and this one is from Sarah Marie Stickers. Cross country is Monday till 4:15, so it's right after school. Tuesday till 4:15, and then he has a meet on Fridays. So that's going to be it for that. I am going to cut my camera off real quick and do my date dots, and then I will be back when it's done. Alright, so that is how it turns out with the date dots, and then we will go ahead and start planning this out. So Friday we have a cross country meet, so I'm going to put that right there, right in the middle, and it starts at 5 o'clock. Saturday we have my birthday party, so I usually once a year get together with everyone. We're going to my aunt's. She has a pool, cornhole, volleyball, fire pit, pool table, so all the things. And then on the 3rd, I'm going to the Blueberry Festival with Shanna. So put that there. On Monday, there's actually no school, so we will put that down here. And then on the 5th is when I have my orientation. I don't have any orientation stickers, so I'm just going to put meeting 9 to 5. Kids will go back to school that day. And then on the 6th, we don't have anything. On the 7th, we have another cross-country meet. That's actually going to be here. We don't have to travel for that one. And that's at 6, I believe. And then on the 8th, we don't have anything. On the 9th is going to be our first soccer game for Kaysen. So we will put that up here. And that is going to be at 12:45. And then the 10th, we don't have anything. And then the 11th is when I start my training. So again, I don't have a training sticker, but I do have these meeting stickers. So I'm just going to put them all up here. I had to set up because I usually take and pick up my kids from school. So I had to get them on a bus route to my mom's house because my husband works weird hours, weird days. So on the days he's off, he'll still be able to pick him up and take him. But these are going to be long days for us for a while. And then let's see if there's anything else. On the 15th, we have a cross-country meet. I should put that up a little bit. I don't know if this, oh, it might fit. Okay, and that is at 5. And then the 16th, we have a game at 11:30. And then 17th, we don't have anything. And then 18th, I have this training. It's a 3-week training. And then we do have a cross-country meet. So, don't know who's gonna, wait, let me see. He's off, on, off. Okay, good. So he will not be working that day, so he will take him to that one. And that's gonna be at 5. And that's also an away one. The 19th, just training. Let's see. Brown. Peach. Put those in there. And then after I pass the test, hopefully I do, I will be on first shift for my job. So that'll be good. On the 22nd, we have another cross country. And that's at 5 as well. On the 23rd, he's got a game at 11 or 11:30. Game at 11:30. And then 24th, we don't have anything. Then I just have training the rest of this week. Try to mix the colors up a little bit so they're not the exact same. And then Thursday and Friday. So I will still be working all of my other jobs while I'm doing this training. It's gonna be a whole mess, but it'll be fine. And then soccer on the 23rd, right? 30th. Here. And that is going to be at 11:30. Now the only thing I forgot on the 9th is when we're going to do our monthly birthday dinner. And that's going to be on the 9th. So we're going to do that. I don't have any whiteout, but that is how my week is looking. So I still have this, and then we have dance Mondays and Wednesdays. We have gymnastics on Mondays, soccer Tuesdays and Thursdays, and then the games on Saturdays. And then cross country, he'll practice Monday, Tuesday, and then have the random meets. So let's put some of these decors up. Maybe. Oh, I could have put that on something. I could have used that there, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4. Could have put these hearts there. And then I also picked up this. I might use this down here. I have this sticker that says, "I'm fine, it's fine, everything's fine." I'm just going to put that down here. I just thought it would be funny. And then maybe some of these. I think that'd be cute. Maybe a flower. That will be fine. Now next month we'll be going to like orchard and stuff, so I'm going to keep these for next month. I think that's all I want to do. I'm not real big on deco, just a little bit here and there, but that is it for this plan with me. Again, this kit is from Simply Smith Stickers. She always has pretty good sales on, so catch her on a good sale day. Tons come with her kit, so I still have plenty of labels if I happen to be able to fit anything else into my life. But I hope you guys have a good day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.